Good morning. We are here in front of a brand new floor plan for NOBO, aka No Boundaries, which is by Forest River. And this one is the 20.4. In a moment, we'll show you why we love it. So first outside, you're going to have your griddle, which of course I said everyone seems to be going to, and that's perfect because I think they're more functional. You have a place to hold your stuff while you're cooking. You're going to have a little bit of storage underneath here.
Yeah, it was a funny
and it's passed through. It's not a lot, but there's enough.
Stuff goes in the microwave.
Enough for all your basic needs.
Yes.
Are you ready to see this unique inside? Let's go.
Never seen a bigger.
So, not real big couch. I really like the openness of this. I love the fact that they have put these two stools in, created a countertop that's raised to give you that bar, and a dinette. So you have a lot of choices in here. Your couch is going to fold down into a Murphy bed, of course, as you can see. You have hanging on either side. And then you have a little bit of storage under there.
Okay.
It's going to fold down like this, and then it's going to fold on top of it. I'm not going to mess with it too much because they're getting ready to let people in to see it.
That's right.
Now, you have more storage under your dinette, okay? You're going to have additional storage here, up above, and you have some under the sink, and there's some shelves. You have a convection microwave oven here, and a nice 3-burner top. Now, I pointed this out before, when you wash vegetables, you can wash them, you can set them to dry in here, you can pour things through here, but it's a nice deep bowl. So even though it's round, it's nice and deep. And I like this, you have some more countertop space.
It really is great.
The refrigerator and freezer are a really good size as well for this size of unit. You have a sliding door. I feel like everything's just nice and open.
Yeah.
All right, so here you go. More hanging. Lots more storage here. Even
A little safe.
a little safe, it looks like, because there's a lock on it. And there's storage underneath as well.
Wow.
You have additional storage here. And here, along with the receptacle there. So a little bit of storage, you can tuck some things in there. Now for the shower, I'm not sure it'll pass the Scotty test, but we're gonna try. Oh,
not bad.
actually, it's pretty good.
It's not as bad as I thought.
Me either.
I don't
No.
know what makes the difference, but I'm not that far in the bubble, and
No.
this is actually doable.
Wow.
I'm 6'4", as most of you know, and with my shoes on for sure. But yeah,
Yeah. No. So
can
we
actually do
have
this.
a nice couples coach that if you wanted to have guests, this is probably, yeah, it's going to turn into a bed because that's where the
Turn
table
into a
will go
bed.
down to.
Yep.
So absolutely, and yeah,
Wow,
it's compact, but I really
I've
like.
I've never seen a floor plan like this.
No, really like this floor plan. Way to go, No Boundaries. Way to go, Forest River. This is a great floor plan. Yeah, I'm really liking it.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide?